Hello everyone, welcome to Curries to Cakes. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon beside so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today, let's make Ragi Malt or Ragi Java drink in two ways. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of finger millet flour, that is Ragi flour. To this, add little amount of water and mix it well. This step is to ensure that there are no lumps. If you add all the water at a time, then it doesn't mix properly and it ends up being lumpy. After this step, add all the remaining water. For 1 cup of flour, you require 4 cups of water. Now mix this well and place the pan on the stove. Cook this on medium-low to low heat, stirring it continuously. Keep stirring, otherwise all the flour mixture settles at the bottom and it becomes lumpy. Now observe closely, it has started to thicken up. This entire cooking process hardly takes about 4 to 6 minutes. If the flame is on medium-low, then reduce it to low heat and cook further. Keep stirring and stirring. Now it has all thickened up. If you cook furthermore, then big bubbles tend to form and it spills all over. So now it's fine and it's all done. You can remove it from the heat. Now let's start with the first recipe, the sweet drink. In a glass, add a tablespoon of jaggery, pour in the ragi malt and give it a mix. Add some water to adjust the consistency and mix it well. And done! Your sweet drink is ready. Now let's make the second recipe, the salty drink. In a glass, pour in the ragi malt. Add some yogurt, 50% ragi malt and 50% yogurt. Add a pinch of salt and give it a mix. To adjust the consistency, add little water and give it a quick mix. And yes, your drink is ready. This is called Ambali in the state of Telangana. Stay hydrated and enjoy your summer. Be sure to check the description box below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.